May 2nd, 2024, session 1224 of these energy information patterns and sessions coming through the Omega Communications portal. Lani speaking with you, and again we link in this interdimensional way, across dimensions, through dimensions, into the wavelengths of communication, that higher cosmic communication link-up that we are aware of. That's why you're here, because you are aware of that greater cosmic energy field. So as you listen to this, of course, it's natural to close your eyes and to allow your breathing to be easy and natural, and allow yourself to come with me and the group into the receiving space within the station of light. It is perhaps an attitude, or perhaps a higher altitude you might be comparing it with. Anything that helps you to be consciously present in the cosmic intelligent field will assist you to be here with us. So thanks for being here. And this is how we begin today. You are welcomed here. Orem speaking to you and helping you to stabilize yourself in this energy field that is around you here. We do encompass you in the energy field, and for some of you it may feel you have been actually transported into this space, and it may seem familiar to you from previous presentations into this space. You are more conscious now of being assembled here, brought into the space, so that you naturally remember and bring into you the cosmic field. So this helps you to realign yourself into that. This is necessary because of the conflict and the misinformation patterns that surround you in the common field of the civilization. And we call it a common field. It is part of the thought field and the engineered energy fields around you. So again, this is why moving into a space such as this, you go beyond that. You connect back into the cosmic field, the intelligent field, which is more familiar to you. It is enlivening you. Are you aware of that? We perceive this as your energy field expands into the field here. This serves you in the way that it helps you to make that step in your conscious mind, knowing that you are always connected into the cosmic matrix and with other interdimensional beings and into intergalactic fields of communication. Because you are attuned to this energy field where you are receiving this, you easily connect with other conscious beings, also part of the collective consciousness, who are moving throughout all creation and establishing a clearer energy field. It's the expansion of consciousness without the compromised situations that indeed have existed through your known generations. But here you are, gathering in the information that has already been established and seeded in other planetary systems, and you're gathering in that information so that you hold it, or it is part of it, is contained within your energy field. In this way, you are presenting it quite naturally into your common environment. The common environment currently being the existence in your lifespan on the planetoid where you have chosen to be located. This also, in this way, we are addressing those ones of you who have recently come into a body form, so that you remember the cosmic source of your presence, even though it may have come into a body that was not familiar with a cosmic source and the ability to connect into the cosmic frequency patterns to establish a higher level framework in the current civilization. In many ways, it is restoring an intelligent system, and that system has a cohesiveness with the prime source of energy information. You will have seen many of your visionary artists presenting higher field types of civilization, and they are receiving the energetic patterns to bring into the minds of the aware creators to facilitate the creation again of cosmic prime services and a consistent way of living that is supporting everybody. Even though you are currently existing in a compromised or interfered with civilization, there are many who have been waiting and expecting the information to be presented into the common situations, into the common level of consciousness, utilized by people who have perhaps intention of being fully happy and functioning, but they're not tuning into the cosmic intelligent field. So it is important for you to be aware that you are of the cosmic intelligent field. Initially, this does need to enhance the vitality of your systems so that they function in coherence with the cosmic intelligence systems of creation. And then the clearer information system patterns come through to you. You are not all involved in physically creating the constructions. That's not necessary. The awareness of the higher blueprint is what is necessary, and this is contained as you link within the cosmic, energetic, intelligent field. Presenting this to you also, we bring to your awareness that there are areas in various layers surrounding your planet and other planets that had been violated or perhaps compromised in some way just through the contamination of various objects that exist in the plasmic field throughout creation. Some of those are unintentional collisions, and all of that, of course, is part of the necessary repair systems which are being carried out. Some of the interference with the overlaying matrix field has originated from within the planet or on the planet currently, and you'll be aware of this. But again, there is a natural repair system as part of the cosmic intelligence system. So as you realise that, this may perhaps give you some higher understanding that everything is being held in a constant system of repair and cohesiveness with the cosmic intelligent field. So this is what you needed to know, and this is what you also are accessing for your personal energy field, and clearing away the accumulated patterns that are not of your doing, and yet you may have been an unwilling or even a willing participant to take into you or receive around you some information that is not part of your natural cosmic field. And of course, we continue presenting you the opportunities to clear your energy field by coming in to restore the intelligent systems within you. This is happening. This is part of the balancing you receive. And the expelling of systems that are no longer beneficial to your higher evolving systems that you have come into alignment with. So this is a presentation for you in this system of receiving and renewing communication with us. You might feel that in this station it is a small gathering. It has constant communication and linkage with the greater cosmic intelligent matrix field throughout all of the cosmic plasmic field that is creation. You are inherently part of that. You may feel a sense of comfort or security now that you realize this. That again enables a greater expansion of you into that cosmic consciousness. So we've presented all this again to you, reminding you and assisting you. Orem out. Lani speaking again, and I am aware that the one known as Ulea is with us. Indeed, Ulea speaking, and I have been observing you, and this is the energy connection that you have made in this session, enabling this field that had been around you and yet not fully within you. And now that you have resolved some questions you've had, this has enabled you again to feel the clear state of joyfulness within you. And this is why I'm speaking about it to you. This is our common energy field. Be aware of this. It's a combination of many systems, many information packets that you've known. And we have travelled with you many times within different lifestyle systems, not just on this one planetoid that you name Earth. This is helping you and supporting you by me presenting these few words and energy to you. Ulea out. Lani speaking again, and thank you, Ulea and Orem, and all of the great number of beings that we connect with. So we're functioning already in many different dimensions of existence, just by being aware of all of this. And it gives me the sense of reconnecting with a great family, the cosmic family. This is a time to remember all of this and bring it back consciously into your life pattern now. There's a lot of information and energy received in this session, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it in a continuing, unfolding way. Breathe it all into you now, and as you breathe out, bring your awareness back into and around your body and your living circumstances, and fill all of that with this prime coding of the cosmic intelligent systems. I'm really enjoying bringing these sessions through to you and myself. But it's time now to bring your awareness back into current time. Be content with all of this energy that you are, your cosmic self. This ends this session through the Omega Communications portal. Thank you.